Hi guys, Dani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a high bun on your Sisterlocks two different ways. So what you're going to need, if you're doing the hair bun with the donut, you're going to need a standard hair donut from the hair store. You can try to make your own with a sock. What I like about hair donuts, and they are pretty inexpensive as well, instead of making your own with a sock, is hairpin can easily pierce this and it can't with a regular sock bun. So that's why I prefer these over making a sock bun. You're also going to need, for either of the two hairstyles, a stretchy hair elastic, some hairpins. You're going to need these open hairpins, as well as 2 bobby pins. And then to get everything looking a little bit slicker, you're gonna need some gel. I use the Extreme Wet Line Gel, some water, and a scarf, a satin scarf. For the two, what you're gonna need to do first is put your hair up into where you want it to sit on your head. A little hack that I have for this is I use a stretchy hair tie along with 2 bobby pins, and I put the bobby pins on either side of the hair tie. And the reason that I do this is so that wherever I situate my hair, I don't have to worry about wrapping it over and over again. It kind of just anchors it. So I've made almost like a bungee cord for my hair. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stand up, I'm going to flip my head over, and I'm going to gather all my hair at the top of my head. Just gather all of my hair to the crown of my head. I'm trying to get it to line up with the top of my ear. I like that placement. So I'm just gonna take my hair tie and I'm gonna anchor one end. I'm gonna try my best to get all my hair into my hand, but it's very thick, so it's difficult. And then I'm gonna just wrap that around. And stick the other hairpin in on the other side, like so. Now when you're sticking the hairpin in, try not to angle it down towards the scalp because it will start to be painful after a little while. So, okay, so now we have our high one. Okay, so this is what that looks like here for me. Do the one without the donut first, so you're just going to need these U-shaped bobby pins. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to twirl the hair around and pin it. Right? So we want to have that pretty combed out, pretty finger detangled. And we're just gonna comb the hair around. This is much easier with a mirror. I'm just trying to use the viewfinder as a mirror. So you want to just make sure to pin in all the smaller pieces, make sure everybody is neatly pinned in. And if you see any areas like over here for me is looking not very nicely shaped, just go ahead and shape it. So what you want to do here to get that shape is you want to go ahead and you want to just tuck the hair under almost so it starts to form a ball, because that's what you want at the end of the day, is a nice round ball. Okay guys, and that is it. A slightly messy updo still gorgeous. I love that it's a giant bun. I love how big it is, how full it is, how fluffy it is, and that is all my hair. I like to call this my regal bun because I always feel very regal when I wear it. The other thing I like to do to help maintain sleekness is what I'll do is I will wet down. I'll wet the front of my hair, and then I will usually tame the edges somewhat, but not a lot, like not like I went ahead and laid my edges per se, but just getting them a little bit tamer. So I just smooth a little bit of gel right on my edges. I also comb out, just part off like the actual baby hairs and comb them forward usually, but I didn't have the little comb on me, so. And you can do that before you actually start doing the bun. And then we just go ahead and we tie that down. Just folded my scarf a couple times so that it would be roughly the width. This could actually be a cute style too, depending on what you're wearing. Okay guys, here is the finished bun. This is the one with no donut. Just quick and easy. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the sock, the donut bun. Okay, so we want to grab the donut. Now I have a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna grab it and I'm going to stuff all of my hair through that hole and pull it down to the base, like so. We want to get that right at the base of our hair, and then we just want to go ahead and spread our hair around the donut. And this bun is very similar to the other bun, it just looks a little neater, I guess. So we want to then go ahead and take our hair and just wrap it around the donut bun and pin it into place. It just makes it a little neater because the hair has something to hold on to, and we're smoothing it out over the donut bun. I prefer the longer ones to the shorter ones. These are my preference. If anything pops out, just go back and just pin it into place. So the sock bun, the donut bun gives you a very definite bun shape, whereas the other one comes out a little bit differently each time. It's a little more freeform. Anywhere where I see anything coming loose, I just go ahead and pin it into place. Or tuck it in. What's actually going on? We have our slightly more defined bun. Well, not slightly, lots more defined bun. We have our more perfect bun. Which is also very giant due to just the sheer volume of hair that I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was so helpful for you guys, and now you have 2 ways to make a high bun. If you're doing the first bun, just make sure like the more time you take on it, the smoother it'll look and everything. It was just doing it very quickly here to show you guys and to demonstrate to you guys. So I hope this was really helpful for you. If it was, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you would consider subscribing if you do enjoy my videos, and I look forward to seeing you again next time and hopefully chatting with you down in the comments. Alrighty, this is Dani here. Bye.